Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And I wanted to give you an update on my Blue Angel Sylvania. You can see here how tall it's growing. And I wanted to show you what it looked like here. I wanted to show you some different varieties of Sylvania that I'm growing. And go over here. This is a Sizzler mix here. And I tried some of the summer jewel mixes. I've never tried those before. They're actually getting ready to bloom for me. And they were started in February on the 3rd. So we're in March the 7th. March the 8th, sorry. So it didn't actually take these too long to set buds to bloom. And then I have some more growing back there. And as you can see, there are one of our Sizzler ones is going to bloom here. So I just wanted to show you how these are doing and some different varieties and how quickly they're actually flowering for us. Now, on these over here, I actually might pinch these so they get bushier, which will give more blooms. I haven't decided yet. I'm probably going to let them bloom just to see what they look like. And then I'll decide from there what I want to do. And if I choose to pinch them, how I'll pinch them, sorry about that, is the center growing tip here. I'll just nip that right out, and then this whole thing will branch off. And it'll branch off down here as well. So that's how you can prune your plants. And the benefits of pruning them, you'll get more blooms, you'll get bushier plants, so it'll give you fuller plants, but that's your choice what you choose to do with them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button and I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.